Welcome. Today we'll explore how to design a randomized comparative experiment using blocking, specifically looking at a study comparing teaching methods at Brigham Young University. The statistics department wants to compare two teaching methods, standard technology using overhead projectors and chalk versus multimedia technology. They'll measure both final exam scores and student attitudes toward statistics. The study involves 8 lecture sections in a basic statistics course with 4 instructors teaching 2 sections each. To control for differences in teaching styles, we'll use blocking. Each instructor forms a block, and within each block, we'll randomly assign one section to standard technology and one to multimedia. Let's see how the random assignment works. For each instructor, we'll flip a coin to determine which section gets which treatment. If it's heads, the first section gets standard technology. If it's tails, the first section gets multimedia. Finally, we'll measure 2 response variables: students' final exam scores and their attitudes toward statistics. This randomized block design helps us control for instructor differences while focusing on the effectiveness of the teaching methods. By comparing the results across all blocks, we can determine which method leads to better student outcomes.